Abortion reveals Democratic fault lines in too close to call Texas Rematch. Washington centrist U.S. Representative Henry Cuellar was clinging to a razor-thin lead early on Wednesday against modern challenger Jessica Cisneros in a high-profile South Texas Democratic No. 1 struggle that illustrated sharp dividing strains over immigration and abortion rights. The election on Tuesday in a district alongside the USA-Mexico border became the third contest between Cuellar, who has held the seat considering the fact that 2005, and Cisneros, a 28-year-old attorney who failed to USA him in 2020 however compelled him to a runoff within the state's March No. 1 this 12 months. A tally by means of Edison Research confirmed Cuellar up by just 177 votes with 92% of the anticipated vote counted. Major media retailers held off on calling the race. Despite the slim margin, Cuellar declared victory. Cisneros, however, declined to concede, saying each poll needed to matter. The race took on new urgency in latest weeks after a leaked Supreme Court opinion indicated that it is able to overturn a 1973 ruling that legalized abortion nationally. Cuellar, 66, is the lone House Democrat to oppose abortion rights, and abortion rights corporations have spent as a minimum $160,000 to reinforce Cisneros' marketing campaign. Cuellar has said that Cisneros would risk public protection and hurt the local economic system through slicing law enforcement investment in a district wherein many voters work for Border Patrol businesses. Cisneros has, due to the fact that distanced herself from her preceding call to dispose of U.S. immigration and customs enforcement. Political analysts have said that a Cisneros win could threaten Democrats' chances to preserve the seat within the November 8 election, whilst Republicans wish to win control of the House of Representatives. But Cuellar's strength within the well-known election have to not be a foregone conclusion, stated Joshua Blank, research director of the Texas Politics Project at the University of Texas in Austin. The reality is that Cisneros has come very close to unseating Cuellar 2 times at this point, Blank said. If he cannot defeat Cisneros, then I think the common sense underlying that need to come into question. Cisneros has benefited from accelerated call recognition and an FBI research that saw raids on Cuellar's domestic and office. Financial disclosures on Friday showed she has outraised him by using nearly $1.4 million, and has round $400,000 greater coins accessible than Cuellar. The race is certainly one of numerous midterm No. 1 battles between incumbent House Democrats and innovative challengers. In No. 1 contest's closing week, Jamie McLeod Skinner looks set to oust mild incumbent Kurt Schrader in Oregon, even as innovative Summer Lee received the Democratic nomination over Steve Irwin in Pennsylvania's 12th congressional district. Other modern challengers like Nina Turner in Ohio have misplaced.